Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. A very happy morning to you all. How are you all? Alhamdulillah, I am happy to know you all are keeping safe and fine. Today, we are meeting for our maths class and the day is Friday and the date is 9, 10, 20. It is 9th of October. And we have started with the lesson time. It is chapter number 5 in our math syllabus. In the previous class, I did introduce a clock to you. Yes, a clock can be of any shape. It can be round or it can be a square shape. And in the clock, we have numbers 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, 3 and 9 have to be in the same line. Okay, they have to be in the same line, and 12 and 6 have to be in the same line. So this is a clock. Now please excuse my drawing that is made on the board. It doesn't look like a perfect circle but manageable. And then I even told you a clock has 3 hands. Yes? How many hands does a clock have? 3 hands. The long hand is the minute hand. Repeat, long hand is the minute hand. Short hand is the hour hand. Short hand is for the hour. And then we have one more, a very thin small hand, that is for seconds. That tells us seconds. So this is how we have a clock. In our previous class, we even learned how to read the given time. Can you all look at the watch and clock and tell me what is the time now? Look at this clock. Yes, you all are right. It is 4 o'clock. It is 4 o'clock. Similarly, if I move the hour hand to number 2. So now what is the time? Yes, you all are right. It is 2 o'clock. Today, what we are going to learn is how to read the time in minutes. How to read the time in minutes. So, let's get ready. Okay, so here again I have a clock drawn on the board. Here are the numbers inside of the clock. They will tell us the time in hours. 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3, 4, 5, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock and 11 o'clock. The numbers that I have written outside, that is 60, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50 and 55. These are minutes. What are these? These are minutes. 1 hour has 60 minutes. How many minutes does 1 hour have? 60. It has 60 minutes. Let's start with 1 o'clock. So my minute hand will be on 12 and my hour hand is going to be on 1. The time is 1 o'clock. To know the minutes, the hour hand is going to be here. The minute hand, we start moving. Okay? We bring the minute hand also on 1. So now how will we read this time? 1 hour, 5 minutes. What is the time now? 1 hour, 5 minutes. Similarly, when this moves and comes on 2, now the time is 1 hour 10 minutes. 1 hour 10 minutes. Then when we move our minute hand on 3, we will read the time as 1 hour 15 minutes. Moving to number 4, 1 hour 20 minutes. Similarly, when the minute hand moves to 5, we will read it as 1 hour 25 minutes. Now, when the hour hand is on 1 and the minute hand is on 6, what is the time? What is the time? 1 hour 30 minutes. 1 hour 30 minutes. It means 30 minutes have passed. Half an hour has passed. So half hour is equal to 30 minutes. Okay? MINS is the short form for minutes. Half hour is equal to 35 minutes. Now when the minute hand moves and comes to number 9, what will be the time? When the minute hand is on 9, how will we read it? 1 hour, the number here inside the clock, and here are the minutes. So it is 1 hour 45 minutes. Before we move ahead, let's again see 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes and half hour is 30 minutes. Half hour 30 minutes. Okay? So this is how we read time in minutes. Now from 1, we started at 1 o'clock. We saw 1:05, 1:10, 1:15, 1:20, 1:25, 1:30, 1:35, 1:40, 1:45. Then when our minute hand moves to 10, it is 1 hour 50 minutes. To 11, it is 1 hour 55 minutes. And when it turns and completes 60 minutes, the time changes from 1 o'clock to 2 o'clock. Okay? 60 minutes have been completed and now 1 hour gets over. So from 1 o'clock we have come to 2 o'clock. In this way we read time in minutes. Okay? Hours and minutes. So this is what we have learned today in our class, how to read time in minutes. Now we will see a very small exercise on how to read time including hours and minutes. So my dear friends, as I told you, we will be having an exercise on identify the time. Now here on this clock, okay, look over here. Can you all tell me what is the time? Where is the hour hand? It is on 3. So here we will write 3 hours. HRS is the short form for hours. And now, where is the minute hand? 60 is here. Then we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 40, 30, 35, 40. Okay? Again, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. On 8, we have 40 minutes. That means the time is 3 hours, 40 minutes. Okay, this is the time on this clock. Now we move here. Look at the time and tell me what is the time. The hour hand is on number 9. Yes, so that means it is 9 hours. And where is the minute hand? The long hand? It is on 6. And when the long minute hand is on 6, it means how many minutes have we covered? We have completed 30 minutes. So the time is 9 hours 30 minutes. 9 hours 30 minutes. Now we'll see the third time. Here now on the third clock. Please, can you tell me what is the time? Yes, you all are guessing it right. It is 12 hours and how many minutes? 12 hours and minutes. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. It is 12 hours, 55 minutes. So this is the way we read time including hours and minutes. Now for homework, you have to do a very simple exercise from your math workbook. I will be sharing a picture with you. Do it very neatly and send it to me. Till then, please take care and see you all very soon. Allah Hafiz.